During the setup process with CatalogPilot, we need to confirm the primary language used in your store catalog. The reason is that some languages have multiple regional versions, for example English and US English, and we need to match the exact version your store is using. To find this, simply go to Settings in your Lightspeed Web Store Administration panel. Then locate Store Country under Store Settings in the middle column. This tells us which language and regional format your catalog is built with. When you open that page, you'll see default language listed at the top. In this example, the store is set to English, US, so that is the language you would select in the CatalogPilot setup form. If your store supports a second language, it will also appear on this page. In that case, CatalogPilot can detect it and prepare enrichment for those additional language records as well. If your store includes additional languages, you can select them as options during the CatalogPilot setup process. If you need assistance at any time, our support team is ready to help.